You won't throw away your old bread anymore. Check out this amazing idea for breakfast. Savory French toast that's absolutely delicious. If you've got that old bread at home and don't know what to do with it, this recipe will surprise you. We start the recipe with 4 pieces of old bread. Cut it into slices, and if you have bread that's been sitting around for days and you don't know what to do, this is the solution. Don't miss this chance to reuse old bread in a delicious way. After cutting, set the slices aside. Now, in a large bowl, add 3 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of cream, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Using a fork, mix everything well until all the ingredients are combined. Looking for a quick, easy, and incredibly delicious breakfast recipe? This savory French toast will make you want to eat it every day. Now, add 200 grams of grated cheese and parsley. Mix well until everything is well incorporated. And if you're loving these recipes, tell me where you're watching from. Which city or country are you from? I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this moment with me. With the mixture ready, dip the bread slices into it, making sure to cover both sides well. This is a great way to reuse that old bread you are about to throw away. I'm sure after this, you'll never want to look at old bread the same way again. Repeat the process with the remaining bread slices. It's not hard, and the result will be amazing. I'm sure everyone will love this breakfast option. Now, in a frying pan, add a bit of olive oil. Using a brush, spread the oil well and let it heat up. Once it's hot, add the bread slices. Let one side fry, then flip and fry the other side as well. If you didn't know what to do with that old bread lying around, this recipe is your salvation. Look how beautiful and crispy these French toasts turn out, ready to serve for breakfast. Who can resist this deliciousness? Share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know the secrets and tips you use to make your recipes even more special. While this part of the recipe is getting ready, tell us if you've made this recipe before and share your experiences with us in the comments. After frying both sides, take the slices out and place them on a plate. Look how perfect they turn out. Now, tell me, from 0 to 10, what's your rating for this recipe? And if you made it at home, share your experience in the comments. You'll definitely want to make this every time old bread shows up. And it's done. Everything is ready to serve. I really hope you love this idea. I'll be here, but I'll be back soon with more incredible recipes for you. A big hug, and see you in the next recipe.